Let's go over Wednesday's independent practice problems. The times rounded to the nearest whole minute that 13 students waited in line to buy tickets to a new movie are shown below. So step 1, we're going to use the data to complete the table. So looking from 0 to 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 numbers. From 10 to 19, we have 1, 2 numbers. From 20 to 29, we have nothing, so I'll put 0. And finally, from 30 to 39, we have 3. And I'm going to use the information on this slide to make my histogram on the following. So first, from 0 to 9, if you remember, there were 8. So actually that bar is perfectly heighted enough, so I'm going to leave it just as that. From 10 to 19, there were only 2. So once I have it lined up, I'm going to need to drag that line all the way down to 2. From 20 to 29, there was 0. So I'm going to drag this here and drag it all the way down until 0. So you can see it just a little bit, but you know that there's not really anything there. And then finally, from 30 to 39, there were 3. And we know that 3 is in between 2 and 4 if we're looking at our even numbers on the side. So that's about halfway. And there you go. You have your histogram and both answered for your practice problems today.